In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off commercial sounds on TikTok. So first of all, launch open TikTok application. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. So if you have the business account on TikTok, you'll only be able to use the commercial sounds. If you want to turn it off, there is no direct way to do it. For that, what you have to do is simply switch to the personal account. So if you want to do that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option settings and privacy that you can see at last. Now you'll be able to access the settings and privacy. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for account. At first, you'll be able to find this option for account over here. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options related with your account. At fourth, you'll be able to find this option for switch to personal account. Tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Read these informations and tap on this option switch anyway. Now you can see over here you've switched to the personal account. Now you'll be able to make the videos on non-commercial sounds too. So like this, you'll be able to turn off the commercial sounds. So that is how you turn off commercial sounds on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.